Alright guys, I got this Toyota up on the lift and I had a lot of people asking me a question about the axle, alright? This axle right here, you see that? This is the passenger side front axle, alright? You see that rubber boot right there on the axle? This little guy? That's a balancer, right? And new axles, when you buy it, will not come with it, right? They're not balanced, so you're gonna have a shake on a high speed, right? So if you guys got a car, any Toyota, and not any Toyota, I'm talking about Corollas most likely, right? And that is not present there, you're gonna have a vibration on high speed. Say you're going 70, 80 mile per hour, it's gonna vibrate, right? I had a customer who had his axle changed. He bought some cheap rebuilt shocks from, axle from AutoZone and put it in. The car was good. 10 days later, he said he had a noise. Oh, well, that's not my problem because you bought your own axle, all right? And he tells me it's vibrating on high speed. I told him about this before he bought the axle, and when I got another one, paid me labor again, we did it again, shakes again, till he goes, picks up an axle from a junkyard. And after that, the car did not have shake anymore, right? And that's the problem, guys. Don't buy cheap AutoZone part. AutoZone do have some good parts, but nothing remanufactured is ever good, all right? Those people that rebuild them, you don't know what they're doing. They're probably doing half of the job. But anyway, guys, if you guys have a problem with the axle, the car is vibrating on high speed, and you're going to look into that, guys. Vibration on high speed, all right, guys? So anyways, I did a hell of a job here today. I changed shocks, and I decided to make this little informational video here because a lot of people ask me this question, right? I like to do the job good. You see how I changed the shocks, assemblies, and I put new linkage, all right? Can't do half of the job, guys. You can't have shortcuts, all right? Just that little piece right there on this axle is very important, all right? Very, very important. All right, guys, so anyways, thank you, subscribe, and bye-bye. All right, guys, ignore my little setup right here. I got it with, just want to show everyone a bad axle, right? First of all, look at that right there, right? But that's not the main reason, all right? The reason is internal, all right? This car still had grease in it, all right? It has boots on both sides. This came out of Honda Accord, all right? But if you're buying a rebuilt axle, aftermarket axle, inside here, there's a play, all right? And also there's grooves inside. When this thing turns, it'll go click, 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 all right? You hear that? This one has a play in it and it's no good. This axle is no good. Every time you made a right turn or left turn, this will make a clicking noise. What is that clicking noise? It's the axle inside here. There's small little cuts. Putting a new boot is not gonna eliminate that, all right? Rebuilding the axle, putting a new boot in, the grease in there, all these AutoZone people, they'll sell you axle for 40 bucks. Where the real money is the labor. If your mechanic does it right, put the correct part in, and puts a good part in, all right? A lot of people come to me, they'll ask me a price on the axle. I give them a ridiculous price, but they're not knowing, they're telling me, oh, the axle is 30 bucks. Why so much? Because I'm not putting an AutoZone axle, all right? Gonna get a good axle, brand new axle, not a rebuilt one, all right? So guys, look into this, put in a good axle. Nothing crazy, all right? Don't go on those, don't believe AutoZone and Pep Boy. They'll guarantee you for a long time. How much labor you gonna pay? A lot. All right, guys, so peace out, bye-bye. We'll see you on the next one. Very simple educational video I did for you guys.